Hey everybody, welcome into Tech Express. In today's tutorial, let's talk about the Shopify SEO optimization for the 2023. So tailored for beginners, SEO or search engine optimization is crucial for any online store looking to increase visible and drive organic traffic. So let's take a look into the essentials. Understanding the SEO for Shopify. SEO involves optimizing your online store to rank higher in search engine results, making it easy for potential customers to find you. But Shopify includes optimization your website structure, content, and some metadata. Let's dive into the initial steps of setting up your Shopify store for SEO success. First of all, the keyword search and implementation. Start with keyword research. Identify the terms and phrases that potential customers might use to find products like yours. Tools like the Google Keyword Planner can help you find this. Open any tab. Look out for Google Keyword Planner, and this one should be taking you directly into the Google ad of the actual keyword finder. So what I want to do is to go for the planifier. And here's going to be popping up with the new ads.google.com section. So if you don't have an ads.google.com account, it's going to be asking you to get started with Google Ads. But actually, it's really simple to get started with your account. You just need to grant the authorization, create your new account, tell what's the name of your business, and you're actually good to go. This is the part what you wanted to get started with. Discovered some new keywords. You can get search for volume on forecast. For example, discover new keywords. Now here, for example, I'm going to go into my Shopify store. Now, if I go here into my online store, view my online store, you should see that we have a Christmas decors at affordable prices. So basically here, what we're actually focusing on is into home Christmas decors. So if I go here into my keyword explorer, let's go for home decors, Christmas, and lastly, home decor Christmas. Now enter your site to filter on related keywords. Now this part, in addition to the keyword listed above, a domain here filter will further narrow down with keywords related to your website by removing keyword ideas that don't relate directly to your services. So that means that I can go back into my store, I can copy my URL, I can paste it in here and get my results. Now the keyword plan is going to give me more broader ideas. For example, here into home decors, I can see that the every month listeners has been search the volume so great now. In Christmas, not so much, but I can try with something else. For example, here I have Christmas decorations. I have Christmas decoration sales. I have many Christmas tree decorations. I have Christmas tree decorations. So part 3, optimizing your Shopify site. A well-organized site structure improves user experience in search engine indexing. So ensure your site has a logical hierarchy with clear categories, subcategories for your products, something that we actually did here. For example, we have a custom catalog speaking about creative decorations. We have now lights. Yes, we do some home decors, but inside home decor, we have different categories, and we have now created a few blogs for people who are interested into what we have to say with home decors. This is something you have to do in your store. Also, create a user-friendly navigation menu and ensure your website is mobile responsible, is mobile friendlier is a key ranking factor. Now, enhancing on-page SEO elements. On the page SEO includes optimizing individual elements of your store. Use descriptive and keyword-rich alt text for images. You can focus into your products. Inside your products, choose the product you wanted to, let's say, improve a little bit more of the SEO. And once you are into the specific store section, you want to scroll all the way down and check out the search engine listing. This is how it's going to be appearing my actual product. You can see that we have the meta fields. So you want to enter that so your Google search can be a little bit more improved. Additionally, you want to regularly update your blog with relevant and valuable content to boost your store into the SEO, which is why here into our online store, we created an actual blog. So people who are interested into home decors can get like a few ideas on which one are like the best ways to bring joy here, explore the best home decors ideas. We told them about the Christmas lights, the festive breads, the Christmas tree magic, the cozies, adventure calendars, everything that can be relative to what we're actually selling. And this is what you wanted to do into your Shopify. And that, guys, is a grab on Shopify SEO, optimizing for the 2023. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, so be patient, consistent with your uploads. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Express for more e-commerce and digital marketing tips. If you have any questions on SEO strategies, you can let me know here into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good luck with optimizing your Shopify store. Stay tuned to Express for more insightful tutorials, guys. Hopefully, we can all see you on the next video.